Welcome to Flyscape Expeditions. In today's episode, we will talk about Lietava Castle and its history. Lietava Castle is located in the Žilina region of Slovakia, near the village of Lietava. Here are some interesting facts about this medieval fortress. Nestled amidst the picturesque landscapes of Slovakia, stood the magnificent Lietava Castle, a medieval marvel that whispered tales of a bygone era. Its towering stone walls and turrets bore witness to centuries of history, each brick echoing the stories of knights and lives of royalty. Built on a strategic hill overlooking the river, Castle was a sentinel of power and prestige. Its origins date back to the 13th century when the Kingdom of Hungary sought to fortify its borders against external threats. The castle's formidable presence not only served as a symbol of strength, but also as a vantage point for controlling the surrounding territories. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow on the castle's weathered stones, one could almost hear the echoes of the past. Lietava Castle had witnessed the rise and fall of dynasties, the clash of swords in epic battles, and the grandeur of medieval celebrations within its walls. The castle gained importance during the 14th century, when it became a part of the Kingdom of Hungary. It played a role in the defense against the Ottoman Turks. The castle's history was closely intertwined with the noble families that called it home. In the 14th century, the powerful Thurzos family took control, leaving an indelible mark on the castle's architecture. Their influence extended beyond the castle walls, shaping the destiny of the region. The Thurzos era ushered in a period of prosperity, with the castle serving as a hub of cultural and economic activities. Lietava Castle's courtyard, paved with cobblestones worn smooth by centuries of footsteps, hosted grand feasts and tournaments. Knights in gleaming armor showcased their prowess, captivating the imaginations of onlookers. The castle resonated with the sounds of laughter, music, and the clinking of goblets as the medieval elite reveled in the glory of their era. The castle changed hands multiple times throughout its history. It was initially owned by various Hungarian and Polish nobles. Later, it became the property of the Sastan family from Slovakia. In the 15th century, during the Hussite Wars, Lietava Castle played a role in the conflict. The castle was occupied by the Hussites in 1433, and it suffered damage during their occupation. After the Hussite Wars, Lietava Castle underwent reconstruction. The Sastan family invested in rebuilding the castle, enhancing its fortifications and living quarters. In the 16th century, the Ottoman Empire posed a significant threat to the region. Lietava Castle, like many other castles in the area, had to be prepared for potential attacks, and improvements were made to strengthen its defensive capabilities. However, history is often a tapestry woven with threads of both triumph and tragedy. In the 17th century, the castle faced a formidable adversary, the Ottoman Empire. Lietava became a battleground, witnessing the clash of cultures and ideologies. The scars of this conflict still lingered in the form of weathered battlements and repaired walls as the centuries unfolded. Lietava Castle underwent various transformations. The advent of gunpowder changed the dynamics of warfare, leading to the modification of the castle's defenses. Despite its strategic location, Lietava Castle gradually fell into disuse and was eventually abandoned in the 18th century. The reasons for abandonment include changes in military tactics and the castle's increasing impracticality for modern warfare. The once impregnable fortress adapted to the evolving military strategies of the time, a silent testament to the resilience of medieval engineering. The 19th century brought about a new chapter in Lietava's story. The castle, once a symbol of military might, evolved into a romantic ruin. The sweeping landscape surrounding the castle inspired artists and poets, giving rise to a newfound appreciation for the historical and cultural heritage it embodied. In the present day, Lietava Castle stood as a living monument, welcoming curious travelers and history enthusiasts. The castle had been meticulously restored to showcase its medieval splendor, offering a glimpse into a world where chivalry and honor reigned supreme. Visitors wandered through the castle's chambers, marveling at the intricate tapestries, armored displays, and the panoramic views from the ramparts. The preservation efforts also uncovered hidden gems within the castle, such as secret passageways and forgotten chambers, each unveiling a new layer of the castle's enigmatic history. Archaeological discoveries shed light on the daily lives of those who once called Lietava home. From the bustling kitchens to the austere bedrooms of the castle's residents. As the sun dipped below the horizon once again, casting a warm glow on the medieval stones, Lietava Castle stood as a testament to the enduring spirit of a bygone era. It was not merely a structure of stone and mortar but a repository of stories, a bridge connecting the past to the present. And so, as the winds whispered through the turrets and the stars glittered above, Lietava Castle remained a timeless guardian of history, inviting all who dared to step into its hallowed halls to become a part of the rich tapestry of medieval Slovakia. Today, the castle is in ruins, but it remains an interesting historical and cultural site. Visitors can explore the remains of the castle, including its walls and towers, and enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. The castle attracts tourists and history enthusiasts interested in exploring medieval ruins. Efforts have been made to preserve and stabilize the remaining structures, to ensure that the site can be enjoyed by future generations. Lietava Castle stands as a testament to the region's medieval history, and its ruins provide a glimpse into the challenges and changes faced by fortifications over the centuries. If you're as excited as we are about exploring the outdoors, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to Flyscape Expeditions for more thrilling adventures, travel guides, and outdoor escapades. Your support keeps us motivated to bring you more epic content.